Have you noticed swelling in your feet, feeling tired for no reason, or changes in your urine? These might not be small problems. They could be early kidney warning signs. If this helps you, like this video. Your kidneys work silently every single day. They filter waste from your blood, balance fluids, and control blood pressure. But when they start failing, they don't scream. They whisper. Here are 3 early warning signs you should never ignore. 1. Persistent swelling in feet or ankles. If your socks leave deep marks, if your shoes suddenly feel tight, if your ankles look puffier than usual, this is not just aging. When kidneys can't remove excess fluid properly, that fluid stays in your body. It often collects in your lower legs first. Many men over 50 ignore this sign for months. By the time they take it seriously, kidney damage has already progressed. 2. Extreme fatigue even after rest. Do you wake up tired even after 7 or 8 hours of sleep? When kidneys aren't working well, toxins build up in your blood. This makes you feel weak, foggy, and drained. Your body is literally struggling to clean itself. This kind of fatigue feels different. It doesn't go away with coffee. It doesn't improve with rest. It lingers. 3. Changes in urine. This is the one most men ignore. Foamy urine, very dark urine, going to the bathroom much more often at night, or sometimes much less than usual. Your urine tells a story about your kidney health. Foam can signal protein leakage. Frequent nighttime urination can be an early stress signal. If something changes and stays changed for more than a few days, don't ignore it. Kidney disease often develops silently. No sharp pain, no dramatic symptoms at first. That's why routine blood and urine tests after 50 are not optional. They are essential. Your kidneys don't regenerate easily. The earlier you catch a problem, the better your chances of protecting them. Pay attention to the whispers before they become emergencies.